How to redeem Gamestop gift card online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you redeem Gamestop gift card online. GameStop is basically the world's largest retail gaming and trade-in destination for games, systems, consoles, and accessories. In order to redeem your GameStop gift card online, follow the simple steps. First of all, launch any web browser of your choice and navigate to the GameStop.com in your device. Then ensure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, you can explore and add your preferred items to your shopping cart. Then once you have completed that, click on the cart icon which is located at the top right corner. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see the estimated amount without discounts. And just below that, you can see there is the option of enter promo code option. Then tap on the plus icon beside it. In the provided field, input your GameStop gift card code or promo code. And after entering the code, click on the submit button. And if the code is valid, you'll receive the discount specified in your gift card. And that concludes this video. This is how you can redeem GameStop gift card online. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.